Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, today we will discuss how we can install and use AnyDesk remote desktop software, how we can access any system from worldwide, and we can troubleshoot, we can install, troubleshoot or configure anything remotely. Also we can see how we can transfer files from AnyDesk. First of all, we will download this software and let's see other things step by step. Just Google AnyDesk, and here we see the first link is AnyDesk. Click on it. No, we have to download and click on download button. Friends, AnyDesk software is downloaded. Now we install this software. Friends, it's free license, non-professional use, so we will install this first. Install AnyDesk on this device. Click on it, accept and install. Yes. It will take some time. Would you like to install this device software, AnyDesk printer? Friends, one important thing is also you can install AnyDesk printer and you can print anywhere in the world. Like if you are using AnyDesk and you want to print from a remote device to your current location, you can also do with the help of AnyDesk. You can print the document on system which are far away from your region. Now click on install. Friends, AnyDesk software installed, and now we can test this software. Now I am accessing the AnyDesk on my system. Now I have to allow the connection. Now friends, it's giving a message, please wait for the remote side to accept the session. Now we will accept the session on other system. Friends, here we see we have accessed the system, access the other system. Now we can do anything. We can install and uninstall any software, we can configure any software, we can also troubleshoot any devices. This software is widely used for installation, configuration, and troubleshoot applications uh, worldwide worldwide. Now I will share how we can transfer file using this software. Now friends, we will see how we can transfer files to one system to other system. Give the AnyDesk ID and then click on browse file, and it will also again ask for permission. Please wait for the remote side to accept this session. Now we will accept this session, and friends, here we see we have opened. This is one PC and this is other PC. Now we can transfer any file like image. We can also upload, we can also move file. Upload, and here we can download. Friends, as we right click on upload files, this file will be available here automatically. Okay, like if we want to right click on upload, you can see this name ATM machine upload, and the ATM machine file is already present. First we will remove this file. Okay, and now we will click on upload, and you see the file is available on the remote side system, so we can transfer the files very easily. Friends, this is the way how we can access the system through worldwide, and we can transfer our files to other system, or transfer files from other system to our system. Also we can take the prints from our location to any other remote side location throughout the world, or we can also get the print from any system which is present any other country, and we can take prints to our location. I hope you will understand all the procedure. If you have any question, you can ask me in comments. I will help out you. Thank you. Bye.